Hello teacher, I am Ramon Ramirez. I am 20 years old. I am Colombian. I am living in Villeta with my dad and my sister. I am studying the Regency Pharmacy. Uh, in my free time. I'm living in the Washington. I'm living to play basket. I'm living to play soccer. I do not like swimming. I do not like to the run. I have a vacation with my family and my friends. I went to Cartagena. I went to Playa Blanca. I did visit of the center of Cartagena. I did visit of the museums. Uh, to I, the tropical Caribbean food is delicious. Uh, I am going to travel to Barranquilla for my next vacation. My family, for my vacation, my family. Here I go to study Grefort and weekend. I met place. I met nice the people. Thank you.